A bulldozer was traveling on a rough road and unfortunately, it got stuck in a deep water area. In this difficult situation, an excavator came to assist, using its power to help the bulldozer overcome this obstacle. The excavator is being used by the operator to climb onto the truck bed using crawlers and buckets. The operator uses skills and observation ability to slowly align the direction of the excavator to climb onto the The driver's technical movements are very good and precise, showing the driver's proficiency. The bulldozer operator did not expect the road ahead of him to have a deep hole, and it went in and got stuck there.
Whoa!
Two bulldozers played an important role in rescuing a Kalmar truck stuck in heavy snow after a blizzard. While successfully towing the truck, one of the two bulldozers became stuck and could not move due to the heavy snow. This thick layer of snow makes it impossible for the bulldozer to get out of this difficult situation. In that emergency situation, the remaining bulldozer continued to move forward to assist the stuck bulldozer. Through cooperation and united efforts, they successfully rescued the stuck bulldozer, and they continued their journey safely. The tree cutting machine not only saves time but also helps maximize production and increase productivity. A series of trees are planted evenly at this location, creating favorable conditions for the operation of the tree cutting machine. After the tree is cut down, the machine automatically removes the bark and the machine operator will stack the cut tree trunks into piles. The situation became difficult when the bulldozer crashed into the lake and sank deep to the bottom. The rescue team had to use both a bulldozer and an excavator to pull it out of the lake bottom. The great weight of the bulldozer and the fact that it was submerged so deeply made the work extremely difficult. The excavator must dig in front of the bulldozer to create a path and make it easier for the bulldozer to be pulled up. The situation is still complicated. The excavator continued to work, shoveling dirt in front of it to widen the path for the bulldozer. Soon another excavator advanced. This constant support closed the gap. Finally, after a lot of time and effort, the bulldozer was successfully pulled ashore.